Nigerians are angry about Tinubu. What has Tinubu got to do with their movement every time? Nigerians are angry. What has Tinubu got to do with that? You have the temerity to come on national television. When you left in 2014 to APC, Nigerians were angry against Jonathan. You left again in 2019. Nigerians are angry with Buhari. You came to PDP.
Are you
now again,
Minister?
You left again now. Nigerians are angry.
Are you aware that you are one of the reasons why a lot of these people left the PDP? Because they think you have balkanized the party. You've left the PDP as a carcass. You've left the PDP as a shell.
Okay, what did
that you are the reason. You are the one who destroyed the PDP.
No.
You're kissing finger.
Okay, hold on now. When you left in 2014, was I a governor? So then what was the reason that you left in 2014? The APC, to form APC. Tell me, was I a governor? I was not bloody Minister of State that resigned. You left. Why not tell Nigerians the truth? You left now. Bolaji, you left. 2014. Was that the problem? Now, you APC won. You left APC and came back to us. Was that the APC when you left APC? Bolaji, you left APC. You came back to PDP. Was that the one too? Now, how you come in 2019? You didn't leave. Now, when you wanted the ticket and everything in 2023, you got. Now, when you lost, you have a problem with your boss, Bukola Saraki. You made an attempt to go to APC. The APC governor refused you to come. Was that the one? Was that the one? Now you left again now to ADC. So, look at this history. You have the history of living. Atiku.
The fact is whether or not this country is not going to be turned into a one-party state.
No,
and you have not reacted. You have not reacted to your role. Minister, just you've not reacted to your role in the PDP.
Yes.
Are you happy with the way the PDP is?
No, PDP is getting now. Let me tell you. Have you seen me comment on my PDP when the Buccaneers and vampires have left?
But that's the name they called you in the PDP.
No, they can't.
They said you are the one that
Buccaneers. I support. See, when I took them left this party, I was the one that kept the party. Let anybody come out and challenge me. I was the one.
But are you still angry that you were not made the running mate?
No, what is that?
Because they
said, okay, if I'm angry,
that you want to destroy the party.
If I'm angry, would that make me to be the president? I'm not going to run, and I will not run. All I'm saying, keep to the constitution, keep to agreement. And that's what I will always start any day, anytime. Let anybody say, we are agreeing on something, and I will not keep to it. Let me tell you why people like Atiku cannot survive it. Check. Now, see, from Atiku history, from Abiola, he came to PDP in 1998-99. He became the president. He became the vice president. He was the one who, under the vice president of Atiku, of Obasanjo, he ran another party. People have forgotten that. And his boss said, this guy is very corrupt. Not me. I didn't say. I never said so. It was Obasanjo that said so. Now, he came back. He now tried to scatter PDP. He went to APC because he didn't get a ticket. He went to APC. He fought in APC, Buhari took over. Again, you left the APC. I came back to PDP. And then you manipulated it, you got the ticket. No problem. No problem. You became a presidential candidate. Who supported you? No problem. Again, now, you are fine. Oh, somebody want to control the party. Now, I'm going to ADC. Come on.
Let me ask you. You still say that you are still in the PDP. Is that right? You're still in the PDP.
Terrible.
So if the PDP has a presidential candidate in 2027,
yes,
between President Tinubu and the PDP candidate, who would you be supporting?
From where?
In 2027.
From where?
Who would you be supporting?
What was my stand?
If President Tinubu emerges as the candidate of the APC in 2027,
yes,
and there is a candidate of the PDP in 2027,
yes,
who would you be working for?
That's what I'm saying now. The candidate will look for where?
It doesn't matter.
No, what made me?
Does it matter?
It does.
If you're a member of the PDP,
no, the equity fairness. PDP constitution says this and this and that.
If the candidate comes from the south, would you be supporting?
Until we get there.
But you don't know now whether you'll be supporting PDP or APC.
They played that to us. It was played against us. Did I have my feelings from day one? That look, since you cannot follow, since you don't believe in fairness, equity, and justice, I will not support you. Did I not say so? Did I hide it? Did I hide it? No, I didn't hide it. So you should not understand anything. And let me tell anybody who cares. You know why this country, why politicians are abusing Nigerians, insulting Nigerians, intelligence and this. They come and tell you all kinds of stories, which I won't do. So I will not come and tell you what I will not do. No, I won't do it. I will not do it. I won't do it. Let heaven fall, I won't do it. If I tell you, this is what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it.
Oh, but you have said things that you say you would not.
So what?
You said you were not going to be a minister.
I never said so. Please.
You said, what are you looking for?
Please, I said this, and people should correct that. It is not my intention to be a minister. Please, I do not support Tinubu to be a minister. In the name of Almighty God, I supported Tinubu that equity, fairness, and justice. And let people, and I said so. Before I became a minister, I agree with my governor. I agree with the National Party office. I agree with the zonal, and I agree with the state. So people should not, when people just, you cut this and show this. No, take the whole thing holistically. You don't just say, I said, no, this is not correct.
But, Minister, yes. Do you agree with Mr. Fubara that he's going to serve only one term? Is that the agreement?
Who told you that?
We understand that that's what the agreement.
Why are you interested in that?
Because that's my job.
It's not your job.
I'm a political journalist.
No, it's not your business.
I'm interested in what happens
it's not your business.
Politics.
What you should be interested in about peace in River State.
Is there peace now?
Yeah, of course.
Will it be reinstalled?
What do you mean?
Because you met the president. He was the one who declared state of emergency.
Yeah.
And there must have been some assurances.
I never met president to declare state of emergency. Please, people should know that. I said the governor should be impeached.
You wanted the governor to be impeached?
Yes. But president is wisdom and considering total consideration of the state. No, let's not do this. He did that. No problem. And president never invited us for any peace thing. The governor met with the National Assembly, met with State Assembly, met with the elders, and we agreed. It's okay. Can we go and meet president? Say, sir, we have agreed on peace. President never invited anybody to say, agree on this, agree on. No, it's not correct. People just, and it's good for us. All of you are speculating. Continue to speculate. You know why people to say, oh, thank God, there's peace. What is our problem in what are the conditions for peace? Peace is peace. Why are you interested in conditions for peace? The problem people have, with due respect to you, nobody's coming to arise. Nobody's coming to challenge. Nobody's coming to AIT to abuse Wike. Because the oil well has dried. The oil well is right. Nothing again.
What do you mean the oil well is
okay, let me tell you now. Where people are sucking from. It's right now. It's no longer coming. No more problem now. There's peace. So what are you going to talk? You go and make governor. You say no.
But why,
I have peace with my governor.
Why do you think that Fubara should not do a second term?
Who told you that there's something like that?
Can you tell us what happened?
Why would I tell
What's
you?
the agreement?
No, you cannot know.
You are the master of agreement is agreement.
But are you part of the agreement?
Yes.
No, you're not.
Because we are in Nigeria together.
No, you're not, but you're not from River State.
I cover River State. I have an interest.
No. You have never contributed anything to the development of River State.
No, I have.
No, you have not.
I have.
No, you have not. You only collect money for River State.
I almost died.
About your coverage.
I almost died in River State covering elections.
No, but you are paid for it.
No, that's coverage of election.
No.
We do it for free.
Can I tell you something?
Mm-hmm.
And that's what keeps me happy today. That all of you are in back. And you continue to be in back. You will never know. When I agree, there is peace. Whichever thing you want to say is your business. Whether channel, whether Rise, whether IIT, whether anything. Die in that darkness. Because when President called all of us and tried to make peace, he went to town and began to say, why this? Somebody who said, look, let there be peace. You were killing President, calling all sorts of things, no problem. We now on our own, internally, When I agree, there will be peace. I will agree there is peace. What I think you should now project, will say, look, there is peace in the university. Don't be asking us, what are the terms? Why are you asking us? What's their business?